Okay, welcome to another cool smartphone video, and this time it's the Syncwire 4-port USB charger. Yes! You can see here it's a very small box and it's designed for the USA, but comes with UK and EU removable plugs. It's got two 2.4 amp ports and two 1 amp ports. So there's 36 watt, 6.8 amp output total. Full speed charging up to 4 devices at the same time. So let's have a look in the box. And I've already opened it actually. Right, so here is the main unit itself. I've got to tell you, its first impression is very good because it's actually quite small. It isn't a whole deal bigger than a normal plug that you put into the wall here in the UK. On the top we have 4 USB ports as per the description. You can see here there's a white circle there with a grey outer edge, or basically an unfilled circle, let's call it. They are the 1 amp ports. That's number 1 there and number 3 there. There's full power 2.4 amp ports that you might use for an iPad on the second one and the 4th one down. So you choose depending on what you need there and how fast you want it charging. So you might, if you're just charging your phone overnight, you just put it into the 1 amp trickle charge. If you want a super fast charge, you put it into the 2.4 amp one. Now you can see here, as it was mentioned there on the description, we've got an American plug which pops out on the back. So I can just do that and it plugs into the wall in the US of A, and of course then wobbles all over the place because it doesn't actually hold it in place properly. So here in good old England, and of course many other countries such as Cyprus and Malta and various other countries, you can click in this bit here and it becomes a British plug for British people. You slide that out. Also, we've got the European plug for the rest of Europe, because right now, until we do something absolutely insane, we're still in Europe. So if you're traveling around Europe, you plug this in and it converts the US plug into a European plug. Insert it into your socket and that will no doubt wobble and be a bit unstable, but it is then ready to go. So it doesn't come supplied with any cables whatsoever. You have to supply all of those. I'm going to show you a bit of video of it being plugged in and charging, but I don't see what else you can say about this. It charges your devices. Now it comes with a small instruction booklet. Why you would need one, I don't know. It's pretty flipping obvious how to use the thing, but it just shows you how to put the correct socket in. Oh, let's focus up for you. It tells you how to put the right socket in, and then there's a warranty which is 12 months. Who needs that? If you can't work that out, then there's something wrong with your brain. Alright, so here we are in the kitchen. Let's see if we can put all these ingredients together to make this work. So number 1, we have the Syncwire charger. We'll turn it on and nothing seems to happen. Okay, we got a blue LED on the front there to tell you that the thing has power. Great. We have a phone here that needs charging. We have some cables. So basically you plug in the cable into the top. So I'm going to put it into the 2.4 amp one there, and then you plug it into the device that you want charging. So I'm going to plug it into this phone. Now here we go. I plugged it into the phone. As you can see, it's charging. Sorry about the very bad cable. I've sellotaped them together so I don't lose them. And you can see here it is charging, which is what you would expect really. So that is the Syncwire 4-port USB charger. Now let's have